Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Alright, YouTube family, easy cheesy rice is on our menu today, and we're jumping right into making that rice rather. Okay, now, you need 2 cups of cooked rice already, butter or margarine to taste, 6 slices of cheese, and salt. Alright, yes, it's a very, very, very cheesy rice, but it's very quick. Now, you can either do this in the microwave or on the stove top. I'm going to use the microwave today. If you're going to use the stove top, then just make sure you watch it. Put it on a medium-low heat and keep stirring it until you get that creamy rice you're looking for. Now, straight up out of the microwave, this is what you're looking for. So you're going to stir it once or twice while it's in the microwave too. Make sure you do that. Make sure you get all of your rice coated with that cheese, that margarine or that butter, and of course, salt. So you put a little bit of salt in there first, then you're going to taste it. You're going to sprinkle a little bit more. Don't over salt your rice, the cheese, and sometimes that margarine or that butter, you usually have a little salt in it too, so it'll give it a nice little flavor there. So just be careful with the salt in this one. Quick recipe. You can see the video is about 2 minutes long. That lets you know this is really quick. Alright, so if you're not a microwave person, do use the stove top. I do repeat and tell you that again. Alright, so stir this very well. Now, if you need another tablespoon or 2 of milk, or you think that, then go ahead and do that. So make your rice as creamy as you want to make it. It's so easy, you wouldn't believe it, and it's so good. Alright, so now here, I'm done. I'm going to plate it. That is it. Look at that. Look at how creamy and nice that is. Didn't take long at all. I do have a video up on my page showing you how to cook rice correctly, so check that one out if you need to learn how to cook the rice. No biggie. This is what it looks like when it's ready. Thanks for watching. See y'all later. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.